How do we see the future of the industry? I don't know whether consolidation has come to an end or whether that's going to continue. So whether the larger get larger, or somewhere along the lines of how we've seen the supermarket businesses in the UK. I'd like to think there was going to continue to have a strong independent sector, which clearly we belong to. I think that channels of doing business is going to change. I think those that have got a sophisticated online offering are going to win more prizes than those that haven't. I think over time, I don't think that it's going to happen overnight, but I think it's certainly business will go that way. Because the industry itself is so disjointed and disparate, the builder gets up in the morning and is not quite sure what he's going to do. So the key part of the merchant is sorting him out in a hurry and being flexible, and whether that will change over time, I doubt it very much. We'll wake up to orders that have been placed on, online, rather than, people are phoning you at half seven in the morning. I think people will start pricing work. We'll be open 24/7 in effect, because people will be able to access their accounts. People will be able to pay their accounts online. People will be able to interrogate the system to be able to price jobs. So I think the whole thing will change. What I'd like to think is that people's perception of builders merchants is much different to that. That we offer a unique shopping experience. We welcome our customers in a much more sophisticated way. Our branches and our locations are, if not in retail locations, are certainly in a much more high-profile locations where they've been in the past, and that people see builders merchanting as a much more professional industry than it's been in the past. And I would like to see that, to some extent, the kind of what I'd call the street corner, not really participating in what is a truly professional builders merchants, that perhaps I'd like to see those disappearing off, and that we were left with a much more professional. But I think the BMF can play a massive role in helping to educate and train and present the industry in a way that it should be.